My name is Sephora Martinez. I live in La Paz Cesar. I am 47 years old. My profession is teacher. I have 40 children who are the best gift that God has given me, and they are my great reason to continue each day with my desire to move forward. My hobby is reading and documenting myself. I chose to be a teacher for 26 years old, which I have dedicated to teaching elementary school boys and girls. Educating is one of my favorite passion. Feeling that I can contribute something new to the life of these little children. My project for the future is to be able to complete mass study, obtain bachelor's degree, and then finish a specialization. Trains me will provide me with tools that can be useful in the teaching listening process. In my personal life in the future, I would like to see my children be excellent professionals. I would like to see them made what work and in your personal life. See my grandson grows up, who is the continuity of my existence.